Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of how our brains work. We're going to explore something called cognitive processes. Don't worry, we'll break it down into simple bits you can easily understand. So let's get started. Imagine your brain is like a supercomputer, constantly working behind the scenes to make sense of the world around you. Cognitive processes are like the brain's superpowers. They're the special ways your brain thinks, remembers, and figures stuff out. Let's take a closer look. First up, we have perception. It's like your brain's eyes and ears. When you see something or hear a sound, your brain uses perception to make sense of it. It's how you know a barking dog from a honking car. Then comes attention. Think of it as your brain's spotlight. It helps you focus on one thing while ignoring others, like when you're reading a book and not noticing the noise around you. Now memory. Your brain stores all sorts of information, like your favorite song lyrics or where you left your shoes. Think of it like a big mental filing cabinet. Language. It's like your brain's communication system. When you talk, read, or even text emojis, your brain's using language to connect with others. And here comes thinking and problem solving. Your brain loves puzzles. It thinks creatively to figure out solutions, like deciding the best way to build a tower with your blocks. Imagination, oh boy. Your brain is a movie theater showing amazing mental movies. It's where dreams and creativity come to life. Last but not least, emotions. Your brain knows how you feel, whether you're happy, excited, or even a little nervous. It's like your heart's partner in crime.